Everyone, in the previous class we have discussed the problems in such a way that finding the general solution and the equations that can be reduced to the form in which the variables can be separated by substitution, right? In today's class, a differential equation which is the homogeneous one and how to find the general solution of that type of equations will be studied. Let us start homogeneous equation. A differential equation in x and y is said to be homogeneous What is homogeneous equation? If it can be put in the form dy by dx equal to f1 of x comma y divided by f2 of x comma y, where f1 of x comma y and f2 of x comma y, both are the functions in x and y, are homogeneous of the same degree in x and y. Okay? These types of equations can be solved by substituting. Here is the method y equal to capital V into x, which is very important. And then the variables can be separated. Thus, equations can be integrated and solved. Okay? Let us solve this. First example, x square plus y square into dy by dx equal to x into y. Okay? Here only one step, which is we need to substitute y equal to v into x. So just rearranging, this will be dy by dx equal to xy divided by x square plus y square. Am I correct? Call this as equation 1. Now, as the procedure, put y equal to v into x. Dy by dx will be, here we need to differentiate this. So v into x is there, two terms, means product formula. V into derivative of x is 1 plus x into derivative of v with respect to x. Substitute this value in equation 1. What we get? Dy by dx, the value is v plus x into dv by dx equal to, here x into y divided by x square plus y square, where y equal to v into x, right? X into y, so into vx divided by x square plus y square, that is v square x square. Am I correct? Yeah. Now this will be v divided by here x square. We can cancel, take x square in the denominator common and we can cancel that. 1 plus v square we left. So v divided by 1 plus v square. Therefore, x into dv by dx equal to v divided by 1 plus v square. We can take this v to this side minus v. So v minus v cube, right, divided by 1 plus v square. Now x into dv by dx equal to minus v cube divided by 1 plus v square, which implies 1 plus v square divided by v cube with negative sign into dv equal to dx by x. Am I correct? Rearranging the terms. I think now the variables are separated, right? So, can be written as minus 1 by v cube minus 1 by v into dv equal to dx by x. Integrating. Here minus 1 by v cube, the integration is plus 1 by 2 v square, right? Log v here equal to 1 by x in our integration log x plus integrating constant c. Therefore, here minus log of y by x, because we know that y equal to v into x, which implies v equal to y by x, plus 1 by 2. Here v square is there, that means here y by x the whole square. So x will come to the x square will come to the numerator equal to log x plus c, can be written as minus log of x minus log of y plus log x plus x square by 2y square equal to log x plus integrating constant c. Here log x can be cancelled. Log y. Oh, this we took this side, no? Right. Y equal to c we left minus x square by 2y square is there. Therefore, y equal to, if we multiply whole term by minus sign, and minus c is another constant, so I can replace that by c1 if will be e raised to c1 plus x square by 2y square. So again will be e raised to c1 into e raised to x square by 2y square. So e raised to c1 again a constant. I will take that as some other constant k into e raised to x square by 2y square, which is the value of the required general solution, and here k is an arbitrary constant which is equal to e raised to c1. Okay, like this we solve the problem. Let us continue in the next class.